Welcome to Quantum Vision. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of quantum computing. Whether you're a beginner or just curious about this cutting-edge technology, this video will... Quantum computing is a revolutionary approach. Classical computers, which use bits as the smallest unit of data, zeros and ones, quantum computers use qubits. Qubits can exist in multiple states at once, thanks to the principles of superposition and entanglement. In a classical computer, bits are like coins that can be either heads or tails. But in quantum, tails at the same time. This allows quantum much faster than traditional computers. For example, a quantum computer can simultaneously explore many solutions to a problem, significantly speeding up tasks like optimization and cryptography. The implications of quantum computing are vast. Industries such as finance, healthcare, and artificial intelligence. For instance, quantum computers could revolutionize drug discovery at an unprecedented scale. As we move forward, quantum computing could transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. Thank you for watching this introduction to quantum computing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more exciting content. Subscribe now for more insights into the world of technology and innovation. Follow for the latest updates.